Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change wiper blades on your BMW 5 Series F10. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface. Then, lift both wiper arms into their service position, which usually involves a specific sequence with the ignition off. Have your new wiper blades ready, along with a soft cloth to protect your windshield during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and scratch-free replacement. Now, let's remove the old blades. Locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade downwards or outwards, depending on the design, to detach it from the arm's hook. Once detached, gently lower the bare wiper arm back onto the windshield, making sure it rests on your protective cloth to prevent any damage. With the old blades off, it's time for the new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards or inwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click confirms that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to double-check its stability before proceeding to the next step. Finally, carefully lower both wiper arms back down onto the windshield. Ensure they are fully seated and not in the service position anymore. Turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the wipers to test their operation. Observe them closely for smooth movement and streak-free cleaning across the entire windshield. This confirms a successful wiper blade replacement, enhancing your driving visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.